sometimes in life we're given a gift of things just aligning and like the stars aligning when something is meant to be. And really that's the true story of the link between this piece of work and Breaking Bad. I started my interviews the year Breaking Bad started, and I watched Breaking Bad live. So the first question I get when anybody asks me if I've, what I do, and I tell them I'm writing a book on methamphetamine and that I've been doing research on it. So have you seen Breaking Bad? And I was lucky enough that I watched Breaking Bad in real time. I am from the older generation where binge watching wasn't an option. So I would watch the small series of episodes and then there'd be a year pause, then I'd go back to it. And I really believe that it took me a little bit of time to connect what I was doing in my life in terms of the interviews that I was doing with the story that was being told in Breaking Bad. And it's nothing short of, I don't even know what it is, that my book and the data collection basically aligned with the presentation of Breaking Bad. And, I guess I'm hoping that maybe some of the people who were captivated by Breaking Bad and that did find that the storyline of it, was impactful and affected them, that they might want to pick up this piece of work and look at it from a real life perspective. That would be great if something like that happened. But the alignment between the research that serves as a foundation of this book and the television series Breaking Bad was not something that was planned out in advance, and it really couldn't have been. It just was the reality of things lining up to be the way they were, and putting this book really in a position of having an already made audience of anyone who might want to know more about the real other side of Breaking Bad. Obviously, Walter White in Breaking Bad was a meth cook, but he wasn't a junkie. He wasn't somebody who was using the drug. He wasn't motivated by the need for methamphetamine and the money. But, and I touch on this very slightly in the book, there are parallels between what Walter White went through and what my real people in their real lives went through when it came to eventually being seduced into the attractions of methamphetamine and the immersed lifestyle before realizing the life-changing and sometimes life-ending consequences and costs of something that they thought was something that it turned out not to be. And, as I call it throughout the book, it is the illusion of methamphetamine. The illusion of methamphetamine is that it gives you everything you've ever wanted. The truth of the tragedy is that it takes everything you have. And this was the reality for the people that participated in my study. And for those of you who may be familiar with the television show, this ultimately ended up being the truth for Walter White and the main characters of Breaking Bad.